Hello everyone, Serbian Plum here and welcome to my channel. Every Sunday I post funny videos where I react to Serbian music and Serbian Turbo Folk. This video is going to be a bit different. I have decided for no apparent reason to translate a Serbian Turbo Folk song in English and afterwards sing it in Turbo Folk in English. This is going to be very interesting. Also, in terms of singing, I did try to audition for Zvezda Granda in 2013 and that was tragic, so stay tuned to witness what I'm going to perform and do here. Singing Turbo Folk in English language. Never before seen. Probably there was a video before, but I don't know of it. So the song that I have chosen today is called, it's a very popular song in Serbia and it has over 65 million views, and it's called Zena od Sultana, or to translate the song, Sultan's Wife. I know it sounds quite ironic considering the fact that Serbia was under the Ottoman Empire for 500 years, but what can we do? This is what we're doing today. Alright, so this is how it's going to work. I'm going to translate bit by bit, and then in the end I'm going to put all of that together and sing it to you in English while the Turbo Folk music is going in the background. So this is going to be quite tragic, so stay with me, stay tuned. So before we continue, this is actually a tragic love triangle and the video is actually pretty much a movie production, or this could be recorded for the movie, it doesn't matter. Okay, let's begin. So here we have, obviously it's 21st century, we can't have Turkish Ottoman Empire in the song, therefore as the representation of the Ottoman Empire we have a guy who's obviously in a mob, and let's proceed from there. Okay, so she said, your entire life you have been his shadow. And then she proceeds while, you know, they're having a lunch and, you know, they're looking at each other because they're having an affair. She's saying, an entire life I was his wife. That actually rhymes even in English. And then she says, because of me, you would betray him. That's what she says. You would even receive a bullet because of everything. So that's how dedicated he is to her. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? And now she's saying, while she's kissing him, we're hiding in the dragon's nest. Now that sounds very dangerous because they're literally having an affair in the same house where she's living with her husband, and he's kind of like his best friend or relative. I kind of couldn't pick that up, but that's what's happening. If he finds out, she says, there will be no forgiving, so they're both dead, as he is from Mafia, obviously. And now she's saying what she's in ecstasy. If he finds out about all of my affairs or all of my cheating, he will send all of his wolves. So we have dragons, we have wolves. It's very poetic, very passionate, very strong words. And now she's saying, nobody knows who is sleeping with you, and that the Sultan's wife is crazy in love with you. That's what she's saying while she's in the swimming pooling naked. And now she's saying, I cannot not love you, I can't resist you, I gave you my heart, off with my head. Probably I did not translate that the best, but she is pretty much saying, off with my head. And now she's saying that everybody envies her because she is the first lady. And she's also saying that everybody is kneeling before her because she's Sultan's wife. Or in this case, in this video, a mob gangster's wife. So that's what's happening. And now she's saying, I have him and I have everything, but I want you and I shouldn't be doing that. And on that, pretty much the second part is just, you know, the same thing all over and all over again. I'm just gonna speed up till the end. You must watch this video. You don't have to understand it. It's kind of like a 7-minute soap opera where you have people shooting at each other, handsome Serbian people. Pretty much what happened after all of this love story, he somehow found out because there was a snitch, and he told him that his wife is cheating with him and he's there about to accept his death. And he's like, oh no, I'm about to die. And it's all very dramatic, with dramatic Serbian music, as you can see. And then all of a sudden, the gun goes off, and you think he's dead. You think he's dead because but no, he's not dead. He decided not to kill him. That's how the video ends, even though he was his best friend or relative, and he slept with his wife. I kind of want a part 2. Will she die? Would he kill her? Is this what's happening? Will we ever know? Will it be part 2? I want to know. Please, 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 please. I want answers. Interesting part is coming where I'm going to sing with my mediocre voice in English while turbo folk music is going in the background. So let's all pray and be ready for this, for what is going to happen in this particular moment. I feel like I need a boost. I feel like I'm not ready for this. So just give me 1 second and I'll be back. I'm back. Previous videos, if you haven't checked them yet, please do. I'm gonna post a link down below where me and my future husband react to turbo folk music while drinking rakia. Unfortunately, we have finished our rakia and we don't have any more supplies. But luckily, I have gorky list, another traditional drink of Serbia. I'm gonna post a link down below where we react to Serbian alcohol, so you can find out how we reacted for the very first time when we drank it. Živjeli. Not a flinch. Entire life you were his shadow. Entire life I was his wife. Because of me you would betray him. You would get a bullet because of everything. We're hiding in Dragon's Nest. If he finds out there will be no forgiving. If he finds about my affairs, he will send all of his woe. On that I will leave you be. Please leave a comment if you hated my singing and if you don't want me to record anything like this anymore in the future. Or if by any case you actually like this, also leave a comment and like or dislike. Anything is appreciated.